Welcome to Quality Branding Hub. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer, and the civil engineer who are working in the construction field. In this channel, we are dealing with anything and everything which is required to get success in the construction. Today also, I'm going to discuss about a very important topics in the construction. That is a finishing item. Now, we are using as a flooring material marble, tiles, widely used in the construction. But what is the criteria to select the material? Which one is the best material for your projects? So in this video, I will discuss each and every aspects about the marble and the tiles, and after that you can choose whatever the material is good for you. So stay tuned until then to get the full information, and if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So without wasting a time, let's jump into the subject. That is the comparison in between marble and flooring. Now, marble and flooring both are used as a flooring finishing material or the flooring material, and both has their own limitation and advantages, and both has their own area of use. Neither the marble is bad nor the tiles is bad, or marble is good, tiles is bad. It's not like that. Both has their own limitations, both has their own advantages, and both has their own area of use. But we need to know what is the criteria to select what is good for our project. So let's break it down one by one. First is, what is the definition? Marble, natural stone flooring made from metamorphic rock, that is either limestone subject to high pressure or heat. Marble, it is derived from the metamorphic rock. So what is that? That means it is a natural source material from the chunk or the slab, and we are making as per our requirement. So it's from the natural source and it's made from the metamorphic rock. On the other hand, what is tile? It is the man-made. So marble is the natural made, and tiles is the man-made. Flooring material composed of ceramic, vitrified or porcelain tiles. There are different tiles: ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles, to the vitrified tiles. So first difference is that marble is the natural stone, and the tiles is the man-made stone. And what is the material composition? That is composed of crystallized calcium carbonate. So basically it's a calcium carbonate, but it's a different crystallized form. But what is the tiles composition? Composition of clay, silica, feldspar and other minerals fired at a high temperature. And what is the strength and durability? Because whenever we are selecting material for the flooring, we need to think about the strength and the durability. We are always thinking about the long term. So what will be the durability? Marble is highly durable but can brittle and prone to chipping. But on the other hand, what is the tiles? It's very durable, and especially vitrified and porcelain tiles, which are scratch resistant. Now there are different tiles is innovating in the construction industry. So there we can find out the scratch free tile, so that has the highly durability. But on the other hand, as marble is a natural stone, it can scratch easily. And now another point is porosity and water resistance. Why? Because if there's a high porosity material and water absorption is high, then the flooring can be damaged, or there can be spot of damp spots can be found, and accordingly you need to choose what kind of a material for suitable for you. So what is the porosity and water resistance for marble? It is highly porous, absorb water and can stain easily if not sealed. So it is a natural stone. That is why whenever you are dealing with the natural stone, you need to be very cautious, you need to be very careful for the maintenance part also and for the application part also, because it's a porous and can absorb water. So that is why it needs to seal properly to make it waterproof. But on the other hand, tiles is less porous, especially vitrified and porcelain tiles, making them more water resistant. So if you have the criteria for the water resistance point of view, you can choose for the tiles over the marble. But if it's in a dry area, if you need elegant looks, you can go for the marble. Now another criteria is fire resistance. In the modern age, fire can break the building, so you need to make your envelope or make your building fireproof. So it is a natural stone marble, so it is a naturally heat resistant. But The tiles, it's a man-made. That is, it's a fireproof, does not burn or emit toxic fumes. So from the fire point of view also, you can choose the tiles. So what is the installation process that we need to know, because it is a process that is only if you install properly, then the aesthetic views or the long-term durability can be achieved. In case of marble, it's a complex and time consuming because it's a natural stone and requires skilled labor and cutting and polishing. So you need skilled labor, you need to cut this one, you need to polish that one in order to get that looks whatever you want. So that is why installation process for the marble is complex, but on the other hand, tiles is easy and quick install, require adhesive and grout. That's it. It's very simple, very easy. If your criteria is you need to use it very simple way, then go for the tiles. But if you need elegant looks, always marble has the better aesthetic appeal. This is very heavy. This is a natural stone, that's a marble is very heavy, requiring strong sub base. If this is not strong sub base, this flooring cannot be high durability or strength, that much strength will not take. But on the other hand, this tiles is lighter material than marble, making it easier to handle. So this can be easily transported from one place to another place, and this is it a break free. It's not breaking that much of marble because it's a natural stone, it can break easily. So the transportation is also a criteria whenever you are selecting your material. Then the aesthetic appeal, it is the most thing, it is a luxurious and elegant with natural veins and patterns. So you can get wide range of varieties and it's a luxurious and elegant. If you have your property or if you have your projects, it's a luxurious looks you need, it's always the marble is the better choice. But on the other hand, the tiles is available in various colors, pattern and texture, including a marble-like finish, but it will not give that elegant and luxurious looks like the marble. So what if your requirement is a huge luxurious and elegant looks, then go for the marble. Then maintenance also, that require frequent sealing and polishing to maintain shine and prevent staining for the marble. It's regular maintenance. But on the other hand, it's a low maintenance and regular cleaning is sufficient. If it will give the durability or it gives the lifelong span. But the marble, you need the regular maintenance or periodic maintenance, polishing and shining and sealing the grout, everything, in order to keep it durable. And the cost, marble is always expensive due to material and installation cost. On the other hand, the tiles is more economical, wide range of price and option is available. So whatever is your budget, in your budget that tiles can be fit. But in the marble, it is not that much of easy, but because it's the highly cost required for the materials, because it's expensive due to material and installation cost. And another criteria is the thermal insulation, because you need to keep your home cool during the hot summer. So it is a good thermal insulation, stays cool in hot climate in case of marble. That is why whatever the building we can see in the ancient age, that's all marble, because it has the good thermal insulation property. But on the other hand, tiles, it has the moderate insulation, but some tiles can retain heat. So if you have the criteria for the thermal insulation, always go for the marble. Then sound insulation, that is also a criteria you need to satisfy whenever you are selecting material for your projects. Marble is a poor sound insulation, can be noisy without an underlay, but the tiles has a better sound insulation, especially with proper underlayment. So what is the base, that is also giving the sound insulation property. So if in the case of marble, you need to make the base properly in order to get the sound insulation property. Then environmental impact, that we have to think it is always whenever we're selecting any product for our project, because we have only one mother earth. So it is our duty to protect our earth. So that is why you need to choose the material which is environmental sustainability is there. So in case of marble, it is less eco-friendly as its mining and quarrying impact the environment, because it's the natural source, we are taking from the natural source, so it can affect the environmental sustainability. But on the other hand, tiles, more eco-friendly, especially recycled ceramic tiles. We can recycle it. That is why it's, yeah, more eco-friendly or the sustainability. Then common application where we can use this, used in high-end residential, commercial and heritage building. My marble has that appeal in the heritage building and the commercial and high-end residential building. But on the other hand, the tiles used in homes, office, hospital, malls and industrial places, because it fits in the any budgets, and it's easy maintenance, easy loading and unloading everything, so that is why it can fit anywhere. But if you have the high-end residential and commercial projects of the heritage building, it's always marble has the better edge over the others or edge over the tiles. And what is the lifespan? Lifespan is more than tile. Tile has the less lifespan in the in case of marble. And what is the IS code? Because whenever we are working in India, we need to know what is the IS code for any work. For the marble, we have 1130 2013 specification marble blocks, slabs, and tiles. And for the tiles, we have two codes, IS 13712 2006 for the ceramic tiles and IS 15622 for 2017 for the vitrified tiles. So these are the about the comparison in between marble and the tiles. And I hope you find it useful. But neither the marble is good nor the tiles is good, or marble is bad, tiles is bad. It's not. Both has their own limitation, both has their own advantages, both has their own area of application and budget. So according to your budget, according to your project specification, you need to find out which one is suitable for you. But whatever the criteria, whatever the properties I have discussed, you need to check one by one, and accordingly you need to finalize which one material is for your projects. So I hope you find it useful, and if you find it useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And I'm waiting for your valuable comments, so that from your valuable comment everybody will be benefited. And if you want to know anything more about quality control and construction, please let me know. I will come with more content like this. And thank you once again for watching me.